gotta sign that title with it.
Well, I'll sign it.
Probably not best if you sign it.
Huh?
Probably not best.
No, not on mine, it's not. You're right. I just thought about that.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say.
Oh, we're making a door. There we go. That's how let's put some hinges on it, and that's your new toolbox.
You're gonna need some Epsom salt tonight.
This is heavy.
I bet it is.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
All right, on to the last piece. One piece left. All right, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
This is more even than it was. Ooh.
You're all
No, it's not off. No, this is right here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dude, I tried. Give me a sec. I don't want to get in there.
Everything's done. So. You're getting real good at
Yeah, you're single-handedly making this business profitable.
3, 2,
See what it does.
1.
Hey, you're smart, dude. Yeah, buddy. I like that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Your buddies will even think it's neat.
Yeah.
Ah,
It's still heavy.
well, yeah, but you bought like the heaviest